What are you fighting for? Oh my god, how good it feels! Are you eating flowers? No, they are not edible. You are brave. You are not afraid of anything. What a dream! Take me with you. You want to eat with your head? Wow, you know how to drive. Oh no, don't eat me cake. How gluttonous you are, playful parrot. What are you doing there, baby? Do not spoil the nail polish. How energetic you are. Now your owner will be upset with you. Oh, you are a good dancer. To see more and next video, please subscribe to channel me.